Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're traveling to the vibrant and flavorful country of Brazil, a land famous for its colorful culture, beautiful beaches, and incredible cuisine. In this video, we'll explore two of Brazil's most loved dishes, Brazilian seafood moqueca and Brazilian grilled pineapple. Let's dive in. Dish number 1, Brazilian seafood moqueca. Introduction: Moqueca is a traditional Brazilian seafood stew that comes from the coastal regions of Brazil. It's rich, creamy, and full of tropical flavors, cooked slowly in coconut milk with fresh fish and spices. This dish represents the heart of Brazilian coastal cuisine. There are different regional versions, but the most famous ones come from Bahia and Espírito Santo. It's usually served with rice and farofa, toasted cassava flour. Ingredients: 500 grams firm white fish, like cod, snapper, or sea bass. 250 grams shrimp, cleaned and deveined. 1 onion, sliced. 1 bell pepper, sliced. 2 tomatoes, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup coconut milk. 2 tablespoons olive oil or palm oil. 1 tablespoon lime juice. Fresh cilantro, chopped. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon paprika. Recipe: marinate the fish and shrimp with lime juice, salt, pepper, and garlic for 15 to 20 minutes. In a large pot, heat the oil over medium heat. Tomatoes and bell peppers at the bottom. Tomatoes and bell peppers at the bottom. Place the marinated seafood on top. Sprinkle paprika and sprinkle paprika. Cover and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not stir too much. Let it simmer gently. Pause. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice. Strong popularity. Moqueca is one of Brazil's most iconic seafood dishes. It's commonly served at family gatherings, festivals, and beachside restaurants. Tourists visiting Brazil often try this dish because it perfectly represents Brazilian coastal flavors. Health benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good for heart health. High-quality protein from fish and shrimp. Coconut milk provides healthy fats, loaded with vitamins from fresh vegetables. It's both delicious and nutritious. Dish number 2, Brazilian grilled pineapple. Introduction. Now let's talk about something sweet and irresistible: Brazilian grilled pineapple. This dish is especially popular in Brazilian steakhouses, also known as churrascarias. The pineapple is grilled until caramelized, juicy, and slightly smoky. It's often served as a dessert, or even alongside grilled meats. Ingredients: 1 fresh pineapple, peeled and sliced into rings. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon melted butter, optional. Recipe: preheat your grill or grill pan to medium heat. Mix brown sugar and cinnamon in a small bowl. Brush pineapple slices lightly with melted butter, optional. Sprinkle the sugar-cinnamon mixture over the slices. Grill for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden and caramelized. Serve warm. Popularity: grilled pineapple is a favorite in Brazilian barbecue restaurants. It balances heavy grilled meats and is loved for its sweet, smoky flavor. Many international visitors fall in love with this simple but amazing dessert. Health benefits: high in vitamin C, supports digestion due to natural enzymes, bromelain, low in fat, rich in antioxidants. It's a healthy dessert option compared to many sugary sweets. So there you have it, 2 amazing dishes from beautiful Brazil: flavorful seafood moqueca, sweet and smoky grilled pineapple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.